everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our universal 6.5 inch Android screen in a Subaru Impreza that it didn't come with the backup camera. We use our universal lip mount and we use our 8.0 6.5 inch Android screen with 4 gig RAM and 32 gig hard. Right now I'm using my phone's hotspot to share the data from my phone to the same screen, so we can go back basically to radio. We can use the steering wheel to make the volume up and down, change channel, everything. You can control it from the steering wheel. That's the main menu, and also you can go to the apps. You can use offline maps and online maps by touching the Google Maps. I can go to Google Maps and search any address I want. By going to reverse, it shifts to backup camera. If you're interested to get this type of universal Android screens, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.